So how do we simplify square root 1296? Well, let's begin with a factor tree. Since it ends in an even number, I'll just start with 2, and 2 times 648 equals 1296, and then circle the 2 with prime, and then 2 goes into 648, and that's 324. Circle this 2, and then 2 goes into 324, 162, circle the 2, and then 2 times 81 equals 162, and then I know 9 times 9 equals 81. So now what I'll do is let's just rewrite all of these prime numbers underneath the square root sign. So we have a 2, that's a terrible 2, by the way, 2 more 2's, and 2 9's. So now, since it's a square root, which is 2 numbers multiplied together, I'll just pull out pairs. So there's a pair of 2's. I'll pull out another pair. There's a pair of 2's. And finally, let's pull out another pair of 9's. So now we have all these numbers pulled out. And so what we do is we just multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 9 equals 36. So 1,296 simplified is 36. Thanks for watching.